Hello, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Today we are here at Calvary Cemetery in Lucas County, Toledo, Ohio. We're going to be looking at a headstone for a Private James P. Navarre. James P. Navarre, 2nd Ohio Heavy Artillery, served during the Civil War. We're going to try something today where it's going to be just cleaning, and then we'll come back later on to actually spray D2. But here we have Private James Navarre, Company L, 2nd Ohio. So we're going to take a look at him, and we'll get back. Okay, so we did hi, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Right now we have James Navarre. We just gave him a cleaning with Orvis soap. We're not going to go ahead and apply D2. We're going to let it dry and then come back tomorrow or the next day when the weather clears up. Right now I just wanted to try an experiment of washing them and see what happens. Thank you. Hey, back again. Well, we've already gone ahead and washed it with Orvis soap. A couple days have passed. Now we're going to take on spraying D2. So we're back here at Calvary Cemetery. Let's take a look. Here, our illustrious leader is applying D2. Notice in the application of D2 that the stone starts to turn orange. Now, that's a distinctive property of D2 that allows us to be able to take a look at, wow, that's really starting to kill the biologics that are already on the stone. So it's pretty impressive when that occurs. Now, keep in mind, we've already washed the stone beforehand, so it's better prepared than just not washing it at all. So D2 has a chance to be able to just jump in and start working right away. As you can see, the transformation of the stone, which looked pretty darn good by itself, is now changing to a rich orange. And as you see there, it's looking pretty good in regards to what it's doing. So D2 is now killing that stuff. Now, what you see here in the side-by-side presentation is both the beginning and the current stage. So we're going to be seeing this change later on. So we'll see you shortly. Please like, subscribe, and share. And you can find us on Facebook.